Hi, I'm Sam with D3 Custom Cabinets. Today we're going to walk through the account creation process. The first step in the account creation process is to head to our website, d3customcabinets.com. Once here, we can go to the top right and select Order Now. That page will take us to the page where we can create our free account. We'll hit Join Now, and that's going to take us to our ordering page. This is the page that's useful to bookmark because this is the one primarily you'll be using for entering orders. The URL here is orders.d3customcabinets.com. At the bottom here, we can create an account. We'll select business as our type of account, and we'll go through the form here, filling out all the company information. So this is the company information that we want to enter. When we hit next, at the bottom, we'll be taken to the personal information. So you can have a company that has multiple employees or multiple team members within the same umbrella organization. I'll just quickly fill this out. And once that's all filled out, I'll hit next. And I will enter a password and a username. I like to use my email as the username to avoid confusion. Once I've selected a password, I've agreed to terms and conditions and selected a time zone. I'll hit next to continue. There's a brief tutorial that's built into the system, but I'm going to skip it for this demonstration. When you log in, this is the page where you can see your company's information, any outstanding invoices. You can expand your orders to see any jobs that you have in process or ordered or bid or even shipped. And down here, you can add other people to your account. So in this situation, if you had multiple designers, you can add a company contact here, and that's going to allow you to have individual accounts for all of your team members. That's really useful in a larger organization when you have multiple jobs run by multiple different people. You don't have to share logins. The final step of the account creation process is verification and pricing setup. So at this stage, your catalog is not yet active. If you create an order, you won't see anything here. But within 24 hours, someone from our team will reach out. We'll have a quick chat to determine how we can best help and what kind of account tier that you'd be in. Once that account's set up, we'll send a follow-up email confirming all the details, and your account will be ready to use, and your catalog here will be active and visible. I hope that helps you with the account creation process. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or send us an email at info@d3customcabinets.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much.